friends, welcome back. Today I am going to be baking a special treat. I am going to make a cake that has chocolate chips and oatmeal. It's going to be yummy for my family to eat. Are you ready to come along and make it with me? The first thing we're going to do is we're going to put all of our dry ingredients into this red bowl. The first dry ingredient is flour. So I'm going to add 1 1/3 cup of flour. I need 4 of these. Can you count with me? 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 4 measurements of flour. Now I'm done with the flour. We can say bye-bye to the flour. Next, I need 2/3 of a cup of oats. Do you sometimes make oatmeal at home? Today I'm going to be putting some oatmeal into my bowl. Do you see the white flour in my red bowl? I'm going to add some oats. And I need 1 and 2 of these. 1, I can pour it into the bowl, and 2, 2/3 of a cup of oats. Now we are done with the oatmeal, so I can cover it up and put it away. Next, I need white sugar, 1/3 of a cup of white sugar. Here is my sugar, and I need 1 of these. Can you count to 1? 1/3 of a cup of white sugar into my big red bowl. And now I'm done with the sugar. I can say bye-bye. The next thing I need is 1/3 of a cup of brown sugar. That sugar was white, and this sugar is brown. The color brown, so I can measure my brown sugar up. Do you see it? And I can pour it into my bowl. That is a lot of my dry ingredients. I just need a few more dry ingredients in my red bowl. Let me put away my brown sugar. What comes next? Next is my baking powder. I need 1½ teaspoons of baking powder. So I can take my teaspoon and measure 1 baking powder. It's white and it kind of looks like flour, and it helps my baked goods rise and get fluffy and yummy. And I need another half with this little black spoon of baking powder into my bowl. Next, I need 1 teaspoon of baking soda. It looks a lot like baking powder. This is my bottle of baking soda, and I can take my spoon and pour my baking soda in. Last week we actually used baking soda and mixed it with shaving cream to make snow, but today I'm using it in my cake. All right, the next thing I need is some cinnamon. A few weeks ago, I used cinnamon to make cinnamon buns, but today I'm just putting it into my cake, and I can pour it into my spoon. Do you see it's brown and powdery? And I can sprinkle it into my bowl. All right. Now, do you see all my ingredients inside of my red bowl? I'm gonna take my spoon and I can mix the dry ingredients, mix the dry ingredients, mix the dry ingredients, mix them all together. And I'm mixing, and they're almost all mixed. I just want to make sure I don't have any clumps. Mix. Yeah, they're they're all ready. Now I'm going to put my dry ingredients on the side, and I'm going to take my white bowl for my wet ingredients. What will go in here? First, I'm going to put 1 egg. Here is my glass for my egg, and here is my egg. It's very cold because it was in the refrigerator, and I can crack it on the side and open it up and throw away the shell. Do you see the yellow egg yolk inside, the clear liquid? And I don't see any red spots, so I can pour my egg into my bowl. All right, what comes next? Next, I need to put my oil. I'm going to put 2 tablespoons and 1 teaspoon of oil into my bowl. Can you count with me? I can pour it in. I have a very big bowl of oil today. Oops. 1, 2, and 1 teaspoon, and 3. All right, that was my oil. What comes next? Next, I need 1 cup of milk. Most of the time when I make cookies or cake, I use almond milk instead of real cow's milk. So I'm going to pour 1 cup of milk into my wet ingredients bowl, into my white bowl, and I can pour the milk in. All right, and now I'm going to take another spoon and I can mix. Do you see what's inside? It's very liquid because those are my wet ingredients and they are liquid. Mix, mix, mix. Mixing it up. What happens next? Next, I need to combine. I need to put together my 2 bowls. I'm going to pour my wet ingredients into my dry ingredients and mix them all up. Can you see me pouring? I can pour it in. Now you can see what it looks like on the inside. I need to mix it a lot. So I'm going to mix. And while I mix, today I think I want to sing a tzedakah song. Do you put a penny into the tzedakah box on some days? We do that in our classroom or sometimes at home, right? I can sing, put a pen, give a penny, even two, for people who have less than you. Help another when they're in need. That's a mitzvah, yes indeed. And that is a mitzvah all about helping other people. And remember, on Omer, we sing, Rabbi Akiva said, V'ahavta l'reacha kamocha. Rabbi Akiva said, V'ahavta l'reacha kamocha. What's mine is yours, I'll share with you. If you need me, I'll come through. This is Ahavat Yisrael. What's mine is yours, I'll share with you. If you need me, I'll come through. This is Ahavat Yisrael. Right? And we help other people and give them tzedakah when they need it from us, so we can help make their lives happy. The next thing we need to do is add our chocolate chips. This is my bag of chocolate chips. And I need to put a half a cup. So I need 1 and 2 of these. Should we pour it together? Oh, I missed. I think I'm going to right. Pour it. Do you see my chocolate chips? I can put them into my bowl. 1 and 2. And I think I'm gonna put a little bit more to make my cake extra chocolatey. And do you see the chocolate chips inside of the batter? And I can mix, mix, mix. And now I mixed my chocolate chips into my batter. Now it's time. Now it's all done. All I have to do is pour my batter that I just made into this pan, and I already sprayed oil into my pan to make sure that my cake does not stick when it comes out of the oven. Can you see me pouring it? And I just have to pour it in and make sure to scrape out the bowl. And then it's going to be ready for me to put it in the oven. And after 45 minutes, it's going to be ready for me to take it out and eat it. And I'll try to take a picture and share and show it to you in our video. All right, I just need to scrape it a little bit. And now do you see that my bowl is empty and my pan is full. All of the batter in my bowl went into my cake. Now I'm going to put just a few more chocolate chips on the top. And now my cake is ready to go into the oven. Goodbye, friends. Thank you for joining me. And I'll see you again tomorrow.